Alrighty, Paul, here's 489 Big Block Chevrolet. Give description of this combination. Got set of our ass cast heads. We got your manifold supplied. We just got carburetor distributor running. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the Canton on it. It's got the Eagle crank and rod assembly with JE Pistons. We'll go in there and make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,500, 578 foot-pounds of torque. That's peak torque. Real flat in there. That's the oval port cylinder head. Peak power 562. Basically rated at 550, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean, and show you a couple things here. See if your engine finds this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It's full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have some more specs on it. And also the engine number. If you need anything from us, it's the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. Got a QR code. That will go to some more tech stuff. So highly recommend watch it all. Have a great day.